Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add sunglasses into your image in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open Canva. Don't forget to sign in with your account. Now you can click apps to start, then click AI powered. You can scroll down, then you can find the Sunglassify. Add cool sunglasses to your image. Give your photos a cool new look. Enhance your photo with Sunglassify, the perfect tool for adding stylish sunglasses to your photos. For best results, limit to one face at a time and make sure the face is dominant in the image. Click in Use in New Design. Here, for best result, make sure the face occupies the majority of the image and limit the number of faces in the image to 2. So let's choose the file. And let's try with this baby picture. Generating your image, please wait, this may take a few seconds. So here you have to upload your image with a specific face, because of sometimes this AI couldn't generate your image. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also press button below. See you in the next video.